Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews and this is my May IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So I already did my IPSY OS box, which is a sampling of the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. This is the one that is supposed to be catered toward me. So this month we have a Mother's Day giveaway on here that I did not realize. Also, flower power is the theme, and on the inside of your card it talks about different flowers and their benefits, which I actually thought was kind of helpful and useful for once. Okay, so the products that I got in my bag, I have this Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel, so I do have it in my brows today. This is dark brown, and I feel like even though, yes, my hair is dark, the dark brown is just overwhelming, I think because I have kind of bushy eyebrows anyway. This color is just very dark. Like, I wish that I had gotten a different color, but the formula itself is really great. I love Anastasia Beverly Hills, like their original clear brow gel back in the day. I loved that stuff. I actually still have some. So I really do like this. I just wish that the color was just a little bit lighter so it wasn't quite so Groucho Marxy on the. And then my other product was the FENTY eyeliner, Flyliner. I can never remember the actual name of this. Anyway, they did not send me one. This I got in the OS box, and this one is black. The other one that I was supposed to be getting was Moon Dunes. So I contacted IPSY support and was just like, hey, you forgot my item. And they're like, immediately I got an email back. We're so sorry, we're sending one out right away. So you gotta love that customer service, right? Sometimes I know that they run out of items, so they'll send you something else, but luckily they still have the Fenty eyeliner in stock. So I do have another color coming, and Moon Dunes, as far as I can tell, just looks like it's maybe like a charcoal color instead of the black, but I am very excited to have it because I love the formula on this. I am wearing this on my eyes today. I have it in my waterline as well as on top. This is great for smudging out. You can also do a precise line. However, I recommend for a precise line using, like, you put this on, and then what I did today is just use an eyeliner brush to kind of smooth it out, because the actual liner on this is kind of thick, you know, and it's a rounded top. So when you're putting it on, especially for like that little wing out there, it's just not that precise. Like, mine is slanted already just from me using it, but when it comes, it's like it doesn't have an actual point on it. But no big deal. I just smear it on and then use a brush to help smooth it out and then get a more defined line, or just smudge it out, which also works great, and it lasts all day. It doesn't transfer or smudge or anything. I've really been loving this eyeliner. I love me some Rihanna and I love me Fenty beauty products. Okay, another repeat item was this Maracuja Juicy Lip from Tarte, but I got different colors. So the first one that I got was in Rose, and then I got Orchid. So let me show you on my hand. I actually have them both on my lips right now. The formula of this is you've got a click top thing on the bottom because it's really smushy. So you have to be careful when you're applying it and don't click it up too much. And I do more of a dab action than anything when I'm applying this, but I love the way this feels on my lips. It's just cushiony and hydrating, and I absolutely love it. So there's the two colors. You can see Orchid is a little darker and a little more warm toned, and Rose is just a lighter, pinkier color. But I really like both colors. It is just a tinted lip balm kind of a thing, so you don't get a ton of color, which I think is perfect, especially for this kind of a formula, because if it were highly pigmented, it would probably be all over my face immediately. But with this, it's just lovely. It's perfect. I love it. I'm loving this kind of thing. I also got this cheek color from PURLISSE. This is Blush Glow BB Cheek Color, and this is in the shade Cool Mauve, which I thought was going to be a little more purpley. It's not. Here, let me smush it out. So it comes out like a cream. It's a little bit on the thick side, so you can see it on my hand right there, just kind of, you know, squirted out of the tube. You really don't need a lot. It has a really beautiful texture to it. It's very soft, feels fairly silicone-y actually, but it just blends out really nicely, and it actually ends up looking more like a powder than a cream. But can you see the tone of it? I mean, it's definitely more cool toned. It's mauve-y, I would say. I do have it on my cheeks as well, and I really, really do like the shade of it. The texture, like I said, it kind of settles into more of a powdery look. So for me, I put it on, and obviously I'm wearing a ton of makeup today, but I think that I generally prefer it on no makeup days, or maybe just a tinted moisturizer. It does look very natural and it blends out really nicely, but I don't like blending it into my foundation. I just feel like it disappears a little bit more, you know, because and I don't know, maybe if you powdered first and then added this on top, but I feel like you would again have blending issues, but that's okay because most days I am either not wearing makeup or not wearing foundation, or I'm wearing like a tinted moisturizer type of a thing, and I think this will be perfect for that because I love the color, I love how easily it blends out and how natural it looks. I did put a Fenty highlighter on top of it just for a little more dimension, but it is very matte with, you know, nothing else in it. So I think it's a nice versatile cheek color. And then another repeat item, got a lot of repeats. This one is from Hey Honey. It's the Open Your Eyes Eye Serum. I've been using this is my second one. I've been using this for the last week, I guess, day and night, and I really like the formula of it. It's very lightweight, more of a gel. It is more of a serum, less of a cream, but it does seem to be very hydrating as well, and it helps with puffiness and dark circles and all of that. And I've really been liking it. So I also got as an add-on a little sample size of this HANALEI Kona Peptide Hawaiian eye cream. This one is definitely much more of a thick eye cream. This is really lovely. I like the texture of this one as well. In fact, I used both of them. I used this one, and then when it dried, I used this one on top of it just as an extra added creaminess to my eyes. It feels really nice. I like this a lot, and I love the brand HANALEI. They have a lot of really good products. So this one, I was a little confused about when I got it. This is from BODYWORKS, and this one is Hydration Custard in Hibiscus Honey. And it is a hair product, and I thought it was more of like a leave-in conditioner. And essentially it is a leave-in conditioner, but it is not meant for my hair type. That's okay, it's not like I can't use it. It does have a little bit of a hold in it, so it's supposed to be really good for like African hair or just really tight, curly kind of a hair, where you can put it in and then it'll help your curls really hold their form, and then you can kind of scrunch it up when it dries. I had a friend who, the way that she always did her hair, she had really curly hair, she would leave conditioner in her hair and let it air dry, and then as soon as it dried, she would flip her head over and just kind of like scrunch up her curls, and they always looked so beautiful. She looked like a wet rat before it dried, but once she fluffed them up, oh my gosh, they were the most beautiful defined curls. So I feel like this would be a perfect product for her because it's supposed to give you kind of a defined look, but also just be really hydrating, and especially for those kind of coarse curly hairstyles. So for me, I'll use it like if I do my hair when it's wet. A lot of times I'll do, you know, like pigtails or braids or something, and then this will actually give it a little extra hold too, so then when it dries, it won't just be all like fuzzy, you know what I mean? So anyway, I'm excited about using this, and I really like the smell of it. Very sweet and floral, lovely. So that is my Glam Bag Plus. Really happy with all of the products. Even though I got repeats, I like having extra colors of things that I love. So like the eyeliner and the Juicy Lip or whatever this is called. Yeah, Juicy Lip. Absolutely happy to have extra colors of those, and you know, it's always good to have a backup eye cream. So I'm happy even though I did get repeats. So anyway, let me know what you guys got in your boxes or bags this month. I love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!